Hello everybody. In this video I will show you what is the significance of the value that we have maintained in the domain level. So let me show you first the domain and data element. 11. We have created one data element for gender. Okay, let me show you. So this is the one of the data element we have created for the gender. Okay, and in this data element we have attached domain name z underscore domain gender. In this domain, okay, I'm going to double click on this domain. Okay, now we are on the domain screen. In this domain we have defined two value range. Now to show you what is the significance of this value range, we'll create one small demo program and we'll show you what is the significance of this value. Okay, so let me create a program to SC38 transaction code, which is for ABAP editor to create a program. Now let me give you some name of the program, demo, ZILP underscore demo. I need to create this demo program, very small program. Let me click on create. Let me give the heading LP demo. Program type is executable program. Okay, so enter title and select the type and save it. This is a demo, so I'm going to save it in a local object. Now, when you create any program in ABAP, you can see the first statement is a report statement. Okay. Now let me, so here I will create one input screen, okay, in which user will enter a gender using parameter statement, which is used to design the input parameter on the screen. P underscore gender. Type the data element that we have created for the gender, G underscore data element underscore gender. And so whatever the input we will give on the screen in this gender field, system will show you as an output. Very small program. Okay. Let me save this. Let me press the pretty printer. Actually, pretty printer is do the formatting of our coding. So to increase the readability of the program. Now save it. Now check. Control F2, you can see it's synthetically correct. Now activate this. Now to execute this program, let me press F8, okay, or go to program menu and execute direct processing F8. You can see this program has created one screen in which there is one parameter that we have put P underscore gender, and we need to enter the value in this parameter. Now here you can see this square icon. That means the F for help, the value help, it is attached to this input parameter. Let me press F4. You can see, you can find the value help in which you can find M for male and F for female for the gender. So from where it is coming? So it is coming from the domain. In domain we have defined this value range. Okay, let me execute this program by pressing the execute button. You can see we have entered N. That's out. You can see this N. Okay, let me go back to the program again. So here in this parameter, it's type the data element that we have created for the gender. Now let me, I am double clicking on this data element. So this is the data element screen. Okay. So this data element attached to the domain. So inside this domain, double click on the domain. Here is the value range that we have maintained. Go back. So this is a small example what is the significance of the value range that we have defined in the domain. Now let me change the element for the same element. I am commented this, and now this is type, let's say CAD 1, which is SAP standard element. Let me press pretty printer, save it, check, and activate. Now let me execute again. Now you cannot see the F for help icon over here, because now the data element that I have attached to the P underscore gender is different. Okay, and the domain attached inside this data element doesn't have any value range. So we cannot see any value help over here. So this is a very small example to show you what is the significance of the value range that we have defined in the domain. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you.